To get the most out of your credit card points, it is essential to understand how to redeem and use them effectively. The first step is to check your credit card agreement or the issuer's website to see what types of rewards are available, such as travel, cashback, or merchandise. Next, log into your online account or mobile app to view your current points balance and explore the redemption options. Most credit cards have a rewards portal where you can browse and redeem points for various items or experiences. When redeeming points, consider the value you are getting per point. For example, if you have a travel credit card, using your points to book flights or hotels might give you a higher value than redeeming them for cash or gift cards. To maximize your points, look for redemption options that offer the best value, such as transferring points to airline or hotel loyalty programs. Additionally, be aware of any restrictions or expiration dates on your points, and plan your redemptions accordingly. It is also crucial to understand the different redemption rates for various categories, such as travel, dining, or shopping. By knowing the redemption rates, you can make informed decisions about how to use your points. Another key aspect is to keep track of your points balance and redemption history to ensure you are getting the most out of your credit card rewards program. By following these steps and being mindful of the redemption options and rates, you can effectively use your credit card points to enjoy rewards, save money, or indulge in exclusive experiences. Ultimately, the key to making the most of your credit card points is to be informed, plan ahead, and make strategic redemptions that align with your lifestyle and preferences. By doing so, you can unlock the full potential of your credit card rewards program and enjoy the benefits that come with it.